Foods that can cause cancer. It's important to understand that no single food directly causes cancer in everyone. Cancer is a complex disease with many contributing factors, including genetics, lifestyle, and environmental exposures. However, some foods and dietary patterns are associated with an increased risk of certain cancers. Here are some food categories and substances that have been linked to a higher cancer risk in various studies. Strong evidence of increased risk. 1. Processed meats. These include bacon, ham, sausages, hot dogs, deli meats, and other meats preserved by smoking, curing, salting, or with chemical preservatives. 2. Alcohol. Consumption of alcoholic beverages increases the risk of several types of cancer, including cancers of the mouth, throat, esophagus, larynx, liver, breast, colon, and rectum. The risk increases with the amount of alcohol consumed when the body breaks down alcohol. 3. Red meat. This includes beef, pork, lamb, and goat, with strong evidence linking it to an increased risk of colorectal cancer, and some evidence suggesting links to prostate and pancreatic cancers. 4. Charred or overcooked foods. Cooking meats at high temperatures, such as grilling, frying, or broiling. 5. High glycemic load foods and refined carbohydrates. Diets high in sugary drinks, refined grains, white bread, white rice, pasta, and processed foods can lead to obesity, insulin resistance, and chronic inflammation, all of which are risk factors for various cancers, including endometrial, breast, and colorectal cancers. 6. Pickled and salted foods. High consumption of traditionally pickled vegetables and salt-preserved foods has been linked to an increased risk of stomach cancer. Other foods and factors under investigation with less conclusive evidence. 7. Dairy products. 8. Farmed salmon. 9. Artificial sweeteners. Important considerations. Dose and frequency, the amount and how often these foods are consumed play a significant role in cancer risk. Occasional consumption of a potentially risky food is different from regular high intake. Overall diet, the entire dietary pattern is crucial. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can have protective effects against cancer. Preparation methods. How food is cooked can influence its potential to increase cancer risk, e.g., high temperature cooking, individual susceptibility, genetic factors, and other lifestyle choices.